Anybody, boy, girl, who they break your heart, no cry, just drink cold Pepsi and relax.
And you'll be okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ella Smith. If you are new here, I do beauty, lifestyle vlogs and fashion hauls and more of fun videos like this one. So guys, in this video we're going to be doing a mukbang and I'm here with my beautiful friend
Honey Bird, the shy girl. You guys know me before. This is not my first video.
the shashage.
Yes.
So guys, in this video we'll be eating fried rice and turkey
With sheed Pepsi.
no washid, no cold. No cold, very sheet Pepsi. Guys, in a buffer. So we're going to be eating this food, like all of it, Nigerian fried rice. Guys, guys, I'm a good cook.
You are that we. We are a good cook.
Today when I'll see my bad man, I say I know Sabi shop. I'm a good cook. So, don't say should be my mouth fly.
Stop saying you are a good cook because we made it together. Please guys, pardon my manners. I have one bad manners. I know they eat finish before they shop meat.
This rice is made with corn, maize, carrots, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, curry, and I never see that one for it. I know what that.
Anytime. Yes, no, I think you need to carry that.
Shoot me.
But it's the small ones.
So, this one there. It's still inside the fridge, but don't come and visit me. We have lockdown in our house. You cannot come and visit us. Like me.
What?
Yes. Village girl.
So what?
So more videos. To more babies.
Exactly.
Oh God. No.
Guys, this is my bad manner. Pepsi. But next year,
Fatness they gather.
guys, don't worry, next year I will reduce. You see, anything we concern losing belly fat this year, I don't wash my hand. I know they lose any belly fat.
But next year, concentrate.
I'll concentrate.
We don't want to be beautiful this year. Next year we'll be beautiful.
Next year summer.
Because coronavirus 2020 is not even feel good. The year is not even beautiful.
This year I skip am. I not did this year. Can you see me?
Next year But if I want to work on myself, let me tell you something. I will have to avoid this girl. I will have to avoid that. If I really want to slim down or work on my belly fat, I will avoid her. But don't worry, I will tell you guys later. Next time, the reason why I want to avoid her.
Because I like food. I like food.
But not food, you make the fat now.
Okay. I like cooking more food.
Not that. She likes early morning food. Like, sometimes this girl eats 8 o'clock. Who does that?
Is it your shopping spirit?
No, it's not my shopping spirit. That's why I want to avoid you. Okay, you know, if I did with you that morning, if you want to eat, the food will come in my throat. So that's the reason why I want to avoid you. Anybody, boy, girl, when they break your heart, not cry. Just drink cold Pepsi and relax.
And you'll be okay.
What?
Guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, go and follow me. I'm a full vibe. You will love me.
Then, so you will try your friends to follow me on Instagram too.
Go and follow her on Instagram. I'll be leaving the name of her handle on the screen. Go and follow her. Follow me.
I'm so happy when I will follow back. Were you me?
No.
Do you came from the same village with me?
No.
Do you know me in Nigeria?
No. I know you. I'm not you. I'm not know you.
Have we met before?
No. Have we seen each other before?
Not do what?
Not do.
Which one is?
I'll show you. Try this. You know, you Momo, you got put ear for my throat too. I want to hear you just
Me, I don't understand.
Let me pour for you so that you know what I mean. You see that? If you drink it, it will do it shake again inside your throat. Are you stupid?
Ah, God.
Are you going to tire for it?
Wait. For real life, will you finish this food?
No. Not for fake life that we did.
I know it since yesterday. So let me use the opportunity. Please, next time.
Shut up, you're a foodie. You chop. You chop. You chop.
I chop for a living. Chopping is my calling.
Later you say,
Some people will say, I don't want to eat them because I don't want to get fat. I don't want my tummy to be big. My sister.
chop.
Big tummy is better than also.
Chop.
Ella shop. I need to move shop now.
I really can't for my food. Which meat I would I eat now? There's enough meat in this plate. Which meat should I eat? Let me try this one. Oh no.
And you just say, oh no, be like say, which one?
No.
It tastes different.
No, it not taste different. Chop your own. Not taste different. Why fun?
My sister.
How you tell you chop your meat for us? Do you leave it like this? Or
Okay, let me use your own as an example. Do you leave it like this or you remove the inside?
see your inside? See your inside? Chop your inside. This is my inside, I beg you. I don't like what I ate too.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
You see the head where this girl carried. Later he was saying that she not fine.
I'm a fine girl. I mean like a new wife.
Ìyàwó.
Amaka. Why would you remove my wig?
Awa. Why you even wear wig for the first time, sir? I need to take paracetamol. My head is banging. I don't laugh today.
Later now you see I'm not good. I don't make you laugh now. Forget your sorrow.
Is it crazy? Now you give me the sorrow. So guys, that should be the end of this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. And guys, I noticed you guys are not clicking on the notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video. So guys, now just do it now so you will not forget.
That red button.
Yeah, that subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe and click
But
on
this
the bell.
video, it did not end well. Look at my head. When you say I taste start, but this maybe another person coming down. Alright. Thanks,
So guys, I hope we made you laugh. I know you don't laugh, Taya, but I have a crazy friend. Anyways, guys, bye.
Bye bye.
See you soon in our next